You must be wondering what is wrong with these people. We wondered that too, that these people had to be saved before it was too late, before they lost their sanity to their mundane yet hectic life. So we, the minions of Meraki, came up with an antidote escape for people infected with this widespread disease which is breaking their spines, melting their brains and making them nothing less than lab rats running in circle. This has to change. We need to break this curve and we need to set them free. Do you want to know what this antidote is? Do you want to know what is happening to these people? Everybody does. The whole nation wants to know. These people will be set free to go anywhere they want, to do anything they love, and to do everything which makes them happy and helps them forget their boring and dull lifestyle. As a souvenir, they get a chance to record their epic journey, bringing back the memories of their amazing experience, discovering who they truly can be. We do not target a certain geography. In fact, we strive for global dominance. So we are here to liberate the people of the world, and no one should be left behind. To achieve this benchmark, we need your help. You can contribute in our highly humanitarian mission for making this world a better place, and you shall be rewarded too. Verily. But remember, it's all or it's nothing. If we do not make it to the goal, our organization will never greenlit escape, resulting this antidote will fail miserably in its effort to create a better and happier world. And that will be sad. Very, very sad. You need escape, escape needs you.